Today I will show you how to extract only letters or only numbers from a mixed text string in Excel without using VBA and using VBA. I have some data over here which has mixed letters with numbers. In the number column, I want only 1, 2, 3, 4, and also in the letter column, I want I, N, V, X, Y, C. Here also 4, 5, 6, 7, C, U, S, T, A, B. So this can be achieved with two methods. First, I will tell you without using VBA. For numbers, I will use this formula here. So with this formula TEXTJOIN, it will check whether the data in column A has numbers in it and returns the numbers only. I will give the formula and the VBA code which I am using in the description. If we do the Control D, we got the numbers only, and also for the letters. This TEXTJOIN formula checks whether the cell in column A has the letters in it. If we do the Control D, gives the letters only. The next step which I am going to say is with using VBA. So for that, we need to save this Excel as macro enabled workbook. Then save. We'll paste the code in the developer tab, Visual Basic. So for getting the developer tab, right click here, customize the ribbon, click on the developer. Then OK. As we get the developer tab, we'll go to Visual Basic, then insert module. First we will paste the code for getting letters only. This VBA code works as a formula in the Excel. We'll save it and close it, extract letters, then select the data and Control D. Then for the numbers, we'll go again to Visual Basic, insert module, paste here, close, equal to numbers. Select the cell, close the bracket, enter, Control D. We got the numbers only. These are the two methods which we can use to get the letters only and the numbers only from a cell in Excel.